What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Gangle from the amazing digital circus. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page at the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that down. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to connect the outside with a curve that goes higher in the middle. So we're going to go up and bring that back down the inside and do the same thing over on the right. And then we want to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now from the eyes, we're going to move down and shift the mouth over towards the right side. Let's start down here, bend this down, and pull that up higher on the right side. Let's go back to the left, come down, and then again, just taking that up towards the top right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Once we complete the face, let's move up and draw the top of the head. We're going to start all the way over on the left. We're going to bend this up in the middle, go across, and then back down. Let's go back to the left side and curve the bottom of the head. We come down, almost like a half oval, round out the head, and then pull that back up on the top right. Now I'm going to show you a simple technique on how to draw a spiral ribbon body. Let's start from the bottom left side of the head, going out, go across towards the right, round at the end, come across, and just bring that down on the left. From the left and right side, draw two equal length lines coming down, and we're going to close out the bottom with that same curve we have on top, coming down and then up. Now I want to have the same ribbon thickness across the back, so we're going to start up here, draw that same curve, going up and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side. Now this bottom corner is going to go up and then in underneath the head. But we're going to start from the top of the ribbon, going up and then across. Let's continue the spiral of the ribbon, going around, come down, and then do that again. We're going to go all the way around towards the bottom, go up, and then back down. And then again, we're just going to repeat the same steps, coming down with two equal length lines, and we'll close off the bottom. And again, just curving the back side of the ribbon. Now we're going to continue this curve in behind the ribbon, going out and then down, aiming towards the bottom left corner. Let's do that one more time. Continue this curve, going all the way around towards the bottom, up toward the top, and then back down. And then again, just repeating those same steps. Close out the bottom of the ribbon along the back. And then from here, bend this up and then in. Let's go back to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the side of the head. Start by going up, come in, and then bend that back out. Let's line this up over on the right. We're going to go in the opposite direction, going all the way around, in, and then out. Let's add 2 points along the ends of the arms, come in and then out. Now I'm going to find the inside edge of that curve, draw a short line coming down. Connect this point to the inside with a curve, coming in and then up. Let's go to the outside of the arm, bend this down, and then in. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to draw the inside edge of the ribbon. We're going to go up, down, and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now let's draw in the legs. On the left side, underneath the body, bend the leg going out, down. I'm just going to curl that out towards the end. Line this up on the right, going out, down, and then out. Let's add those 2 points across the top, going down and up. And then along the bottom, draw a short angle line going up and out. Go back up to the top. Just going to follow those same curves, coming down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Gangle from the amazing Digital Circus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.